How to replace Chime virtual card. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to replace your Chime virtual card if it's lost or expired, so let's get started. Launch the Chime app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the App Store or Google Play Store to install it. Enter your login details, username and password to access your Chime account. Once you're in the app, tap on the Cards option from the home screen. Choose your virtual card from the list of available cards. Look for the Replace Card option and tap on it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the request, and you might be asked to confirm your identity or provide a reason for the replacement. After completing the steps, Chime will send you a new virtual card or a physical card if you requested one. It should arrive in a few days, and your new virtual card will be activated immediately so you can start using it at the moment. Once you have your new card, make sure to update your payment info wherever you use your Chime card. And that's how you easily replace your Chime virtual card. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.